Triple E has always had a unique approach to introducing training to employees. We normally start off with a motivation session or an information session. It's free of charge. It takes place any day or time on site. And that's when we have an expert to address our potential learners with all the questions and how it works and how long does it take, any type of question. And this is normally where some resistance can happen. And I actually don't want to call it resistance because it's most of the time somebody that wants to know something. They have a question. And that is why this step is important. It's always worked well because we also respect our learners that they want to have all the information. They want to know what they say yes to or no to. So any type of resistance or negativity or not understanding is dealt with in these sessions. And I can say over all the years, I think about 99% of the time, we have an excellent outcome that people actually want to do the training and want to follow through to the next steps. So I think many times, sadly, it's an excuse that people use that the employees won't be interested, which is not true. Many companies share these hurdles. Book a quick chat for answers for your site.